My best regards to everyone present. To start with, I would welcome you all and also thank you for giving me this marvelous opportunity. Discipline in a student's life is important and we all are well aware of it. The problem of indiscipline brings on the bad image of the students as well as the institution. Discipline is very important to have success in life. It means following up a set of rules and regulations and keeping pace with time. A disciplined life is a key to have success at every stage of life, be it students or adult. Self-discipline is more important than imposed discipline. Discipline in a student's life acts as a building block for success. Discipline helps us to present ourselves before others in a respectable manner. Indiscipline is not always the mistake at part of students but also the part of an unorganized family. Remember to start and end the speech with a greeting and thanking people for giving their precious time.